Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices edged higher to hover near all-time highs after the US Federal Reserve stayed put on rates, as widely expected, and indicated reducing borrowing costs by 0.5 percentage point by the end of this year. US stocks added to gains after the Fed kept rates unchanged, as the central bank and investors continue to assess how Trump's tariff policies might affect economic growth. The central bank kept its benchmark overnight interest rate unchanged in the 4.25% to 4.50 range. The US Securities and Exchange Commission's multi-year enforcement action against Ripple is finally coming to an end, according to the company's CEO. This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. The SEC will drop its appeal. A resounding victory for Ripple for crypto, every way you look at it, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse wrote on X on March the 19th.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.